Okay, we got OR100 new for the show. It's basically the lead channel from the OR15. It's quite different to the 50. It's a channel switching amp that looks like an old Pix only amp. It has a foot switchable gain boost on the lead channel. It's got a global foot switchable boost which will give you 3 dB or whatever you've got basically. So it's good for solos and stuff like that. Got a clean channel is quite similar to the TH100 clean channel in the way that bass and treble are interactive.
Right, okay.
The way they work, you know. It's got the 35 watt, 50 watt, 70 watt, 100 watt switching capabilities there, as the TH100 has, you know. But it's built out of the UK, so that's our new kind of flagship 100 watt head that we're launching for the show. Also got the Custom Shop 50. Now this is based on the Retro 50 with added presence, update on the artwork. It's built on turret board instead of the tag board that the old AD 50s and Retro 50s were made on,
right, okay.
You know. The turret board, you know, it worked out better to do it that way for approvals and stuff like that, you know. And yeah, I mean, people seem to be receiving this pretty well as well, you know. So they're the 2 new amps. We've also got the valve tester, which I can tell you about now, because Doug's got one out front here.
Okay.
But if you want to come through.
Yeah, no worries.
Socket, you've got a 9-pin EL84 socket, 9-pin preamp socket. Obviously they're pinned differently for the different tubes. So what you do, if you plug a tube in there, select the tube type with the arrows, this will move along either way. So the tube type you want to test, select it. Once you're there, with the tube that you put in there, press OK, and it will count down. It's running a load of diagnostics on the tube.
Right, okay.
Like
Wow.
It's checking for leakage, it's checking for dissipation, all sorts of stuff, like heater current, all this stuff. It's running a big diagnostic test on the tube. And it'll land on a match number. Right, okay. So it will just land on one dot, which will be hopefully around the middle somewhere. And that's the match number for that tube.
Right, and how much are these retailing for?
About 300-ish.
Right, okay.
I've got exact price.
Right.
350. 349. 349.
349. Wow, okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
That can test any of the tubes on the list.
Right.
You know? Preamp tubes, if you put a preamp tube in there, that's a dual triode, it has 2 tubes in one small envelope, you know. Right. It gives you 2 match numbers, and it tests both sides.
Right.
If it gives you 1 match number, then both sides are really close.
Right,
really,
okay.
like bang on, you know.
Yeah. Wow, okay. Amazing.
Yeah.